Hey friends, it is pizza day. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to make pizza fit into a balanced meal program. So pizza is one of my favorite food items. It has a really nice blend of carbohydrates and fat, which means that it's really not that bad. And if it is bad, it's usually because it's been frozen or has a lot of fatty toppings on it. But pizza by itself is actually a pretty healthy food item. I'm not going to eat a whole pizza. I'm going to keep it in moderation. So one slice is usually what I go with as in this size category. This slice of pizza is about 210 calories. I could easily have this for a snack, but if I wanted to make it an entire meal, I would add more volume from a healthy source that was in addition to this. And how I would do that is adding a salad. Adding vegetables that are really high in water is going to add to the volume of the meal. So tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, onion, all these kind of things are going to help your body to feel more full, and you're going to get the vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. I've also added a lean protein source on the salad, which makes this a balanced meal. I have my protein, my vegetables, my carbohydrates, my fat, and to keep the fat a little bit lower, because we have fat coming from the cheese, I'll use a light dressing, something like balsamic vinegar. And this will allow me to eat pizza, have my vegetables, and stay within my macro and body composition goals for the day.